Hey, what's going on, guys? John the House Buyer here. Today we're going to do a quick video on how to change the water filter on a Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator. Okay, so, and there is a secret, right? So the first thing you need to know is what kind of filter you need to get. So the way you find out is you open up the refrigerator where the water filter will be, and that will be right up here in this corner on the side-by-side on this model. But to find out which model you have, you need to look right over here and look at the model number here. So this one is the LFSS 2612TF4, as you can see there, hopefully. If not, I'll try to do better next time. But anyways, then you get on Amazon, and if you have that particular one, I'll leave a link to the replacement cartridge in the description below. So I just got this on Amazon real quick. So here's the the new water filter. But the secret, okay, when I first tried to, hold on a second. All right, if you couldn't see the model number, it's on the sticker right by the water filter. Okay, so the secret is, at first I tried to pull it real hard and it didn't come out, and I was like, what in the heck? But the secret is you got to push it in and it pops out, okay? So don't try to pull it out too hard or else you'll break it. You got to push it in and then it pops out, right? Then you get the new one, and on the new one, this is guaranteed, okay? This is guaranteed, guaranteed replacement, certified, compatible by Frigidaire, okay? But you'll notice, and don't freak out, the new one doesn't have it doesn't look exactly, let me show you. It doesn't look exactly like the old one, right? The old one has this kind of ridge right here, and this one doesn't, but it works just fine, okay? So don't worry about that. So take this new one, see where the notch is up on top? Right there? Yeah, put that in there, and then push it in until you hear it click like that. Boom, there you have it. You have just changed the water filter. But the second step is you got to clear the water. You got to clear the water. So when you put the water filter in there, you got to, and you'll hear it bubble and squirt and plop and split and spit. It'll spit on you for a little while till it fills up with the with water. So a couple of cups ought to do. You'll be able to hear it when it spits at you and stuff. Just let it run through. Yeah, you'll hear it spit at you and it'll gurgle and spurt and all that other stuff. But once it runs through, you'll get the good pressure, the high pressure. You know, after you've cleared the sign. You know, every few months or something. You know, need new water filter. But then the water just trickles and stuff like that. Eventually you gotta replace it. Okay, so that's how you replace it. Anyways, real quick video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. Do all the things. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later. Leave me a comment below. Peace out. Oh, by the way, one thing I didn't tell you is when you get the new filter and you pull it out of the box, it has these two plastic caps on here. Okay. First you got to remove the plastic caps. Okay, don't try to just stick the new filter in with these caps on, or else it ain't gonna work. Remove the caps, then put it in. All right, peace. And then check it out. You've got fast water. Look at that, huh? Instead of the little trickle that you would get, huh? How cool is that? You did it. Peace.